How to fix please check your internet connection and try again in Telegram on iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we will discuss how to fix please check your internet connection and try again in Telegram on iPhone. Let's start the video without wasting any time. Guys, to fix this problem, first make sure you are using latest version of the Telegram app, because sometimes we don't update our app and keep using old version, which causes problems. So to update the Telegram app, first you need to go to your iPhone's App Store. Now visit the App Store profile for any available updates for the app. Find the Telegram, and if there is a new update available for Telegram, install it. If there is no update available here and Telegram application is up to date, then you have to clear cache of your application once. For that, go to Settings Application. Now scroll down and tap on General. In the General menu, you need to tap on iPhone storage. Find the Telegram app. On the Telegram app, select Offload app. Select the Offload app again to confirm your action. This will clear the app cache without deleting your data. Now wait for a while, then reinstall the app. After doing this, your problem will be resolved in the Telegram application. That's it. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching this video.